Hello, hello. Welcome to another fun and exciting live stream. Man, today is going to be a super fun and exciting one because guess what? It is 1v1 battle week. We're going to be able to battle me and any of the hosts who are willing to take the plunge today. I have somebody with me right now. Let me pull him up. What's up? What's up,
Let's
man?
go, guys. How are you guys? I'm here, back here. Love the Futures channel. So let's do the battle today. It's gonna
That's
be
it.
interesting. Last time it was CFD channel, now here Futures. Let's see what we get in the battle. Let's see.
Very good, very good. We're gonna wait until everybody registers. So battle's gonna start at 10 a.m. Eastern. So in about an hour, that'll give everybody to register. And there is a link in the description. You can go click the link, go and register, and we will pick two random participants, and then you'll battle for your chance to win an account. So that's going to be fun. But apart from that, we're going to get into these charts as usual. We're going to look at the action. I see the NASDAQ moving a little bit. So we'll see what we can get. As usual, I want to get Samir's insights. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll
Yes.
see. How you
Let's do
doing,
some
man?
analysis. I'm good. I'm good.
Good.
How
How
are
you been? I
you?
haven't
How is
seen you in a
everything?
while. I
Yes,
feel like I
same
haven't
here.
seen you in a long time.
Yeah, I was excited to be on this channel. Last Monday, I thought that it's my turn, but I forgot that it was Victor's.
Yeah.
But here I am today. So
Nice, nice.
are there gonna be other hosts today?
Um, I Alejandro is supposed to tune in a bit, and then
Okay.
Caesar might tune in. Um, we'll see, but we are here. That's what matters, and the guests
Yes.
are here. Everybody's watching. Everybody's pumped up. Everybody's ready. I see some action in the NASDAQ right now. So definitely want to see what's going on. And as usual, I want to get your insights on what you
Mm-hmm.
think the market is doing. It's been an interesting past couple of weeks. We've had, the supposed war pause, whatever that means. And then we got some new news that maybe there's been a back and forth between the US president and Iran. So we don't know. I'm not 100% sure what's going on there, but the charts
Mm-hmm.
don't lie. So we'll just focus on the charts. Another thing that's been exciting and interesting is the new Fed chair that's come in. He's,
Yes.
he's, in my opinion, probably going to be a bit hawkish. Everybody, he's in a difficult spot because the guy who put him there wants him to lower rates, but the financial situation doesn't really allow him to lower the rates. So we'll see what that guy decides. But today it's all about battling. It's all about the chart. So we'll see what's going on there. And remember, guys, you have until the 25th to buy an account and get a free reset if you've never been a purchaser of our account. So that is your chance. You get a second chance free if you blow up the account. So take advantage of that opportunity. And then, really quickly, oh, look at all those handsome gentlemen here who will be battling, right? Steve will be here Wednesday. He's ready, he's pumped up for the battle. But what I want to check out really quickly is the standings, the World Championship standings. We were leading for a while on the futures side, but we've been taken over by the Forex side. I see EP's in the lead. We have Rusan second, Lee Hung Nam third, TTP's in fourth position. Man, do we have any futures traders left? Whoa, I think we've been decimated. I think we were the most we got to here was in seventh place, but first round we were leading for a bit. Anyways, it is what it is. No problem. Samir, let me know what you're looking at.
I was setting up the black arrow. Now I'm done with that. Let's do
Okay,
some analysis and we will take some trades.
no
Today's
problem.
market condition seems good to me. Why? Because we are making some kind of decent momentum here. Okay, we are on my screen. So
Yep.
as you can see, we are not choppy, as this market condition. If I come here, we are trending to the upside. I am not really concerned about this move because I am that kind of trader who just focus on the leg, which right now is bullish to me. So definitely buys will look good to me. Now, where I can enter my buys. For that, I have to go on the other time frame also so that I don't miss anything. Let's try the 30 minute. Okay, 30 minute, we have this area. But below this area, we have this area also. Let me draw it for you guys. So this area was never tested. I think this can be a very good buys. We are just 24 minutes away from the NYSE Open. I don't mind taking my buys around this area. If we breach this area,
Uh-oh.
can we?
Mm. Alejandra's here. Oh, I love it. Everybody's
Hello,
dressed in
hello.
black. I like it. Everybody's
Yes.
dressed in black. We're ready to go. Sorry to interrupt you, Samir.
No, it's fine.
Sorry,
So,
you were like
yeah,
so locked in. I love that. I love the focus.
yeah, NYSE is gonna open. So let's see. I think buys can happen, but if we breach this area, I was trying to see if we have any other area on the 1 hour. Am I missing anything? No, on the 1 hour we have this small fair value gap, but that will indicate the break of the VWAP, and this structure will also be broken. Then I think I will shift my bias to sells, but at least to this area, I will keep my bias bullish on the US 30 or YM or Dow. We have multiple names here, so let's see.
It's all the
On the
same.
NQ, actually NQ is also interesting to me because I was looking at this area on the trading view. This area I want to go longs from. Yes, like whatever asset gets early to my point of interest, I will just take the trade. And this is also bullish, we have this higher low, and this leg is decent. So I don't mind taking buys around here also. I can enter aggressively also, can place my buy limit here, or I can just market execute if he gets here. We are just 23 minutes away from the market open. I don't want to execute any trade before that because that quick move here and there that might can stop me out. So I have to be careful about that. And I think this high can be breached today if we pull back around this area. This can be a very good risk to reward trade. I want to execute this trade on my other account also, but I already have secured a decent amount, so I will just leave
Oh,
that account there.
have to
But
resist the
this
urge.
yes, this trade, this area looks very good because I have traded this thing like very like probably like 1,000 times. So my confidence is okay when it comes to trading these type of areas. It can stop me out also, but does that mean I will not trade these kind of areas? No, I like these kind of areas. My confidence is okay, and I am familiar with these kind of areas, so I would like to place some buys around this area. And similarly on US 30, this looks good. And if we look closely, this candle is having no wick. So that is a concept that I use here and there whenever it is presented. So we maybe can make a wick, touch this area, and I will like to go long. So I'm looking for longs only until we break this area. Then I might can shift my bias. This will be a stop loss day, and then I might can shift my bias and give it second chance. So let's see.
All right. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Welcome, Alejandra. How you doing? How you doing?
Thank you. Good morning. I'm great.
All right. Today's
Hello,
battle
hello.
week. Today's battle week. So just to remind everybody, we're gonna be you're gonna be battling the hosts. Today, most likely you'll be battling me first and then Samir. During the week, Wednesday, you'll probably be battling Alejandra and Steve. And then at the end of the week, we'll see. I'll still be here every day, battling you guys every day. But it's going to be a fun one. You'll be able to win accounts. You'll have 10 minutes to make $1,000. And that's how you win your account. I just want to say hello to the chat, and then we'll get back to these charts because I think Samir's analysis is very valid, especially considering the action we've had. And I definitely want to get Alejandra's point of view on the indices as well. But hello to Arbaj. Hello to Vivek, who can't wait. Hello to Man, I'm struggling here, and I realize I forgot to put my glasses on, so I'm gonna have to go look for my glasses.
Oh,
But
me too. I need my computer once.
nice. But hello to everybody. You could sign up in the chat. Who else do we have? We have my FX note here in the house. Wave 5810. Welcome, welcome. It's Deeks here. Garu 2.0 saying hi to Samir. Welcome,
Hello,
welcome.
hello. Welcome.
Garu saying he'll do it next time. No problem. Emotional trading will take place. Yes, today is emotional trading, full port.
Yeah.
All rules to the side. Let's just get a quick $1,000,
Yeah.
$1,000, and then we're
If it's
good.
the first time, it really gets that emotional thing.
Yeah, I'm
But if
pumped
the
up.
competition's here and there, you have done that, then you are like, it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
So these type of things is really good.
And then I like the fact that we're all in black. We're like I don't know if you guys saw the Karate Kid movie way back in
Yes,
the
I've
day.
seen it. I've seen it.
So we're like right now. I feel like we're the other team. You remember those the bad team that was dressed in all black and we're all
Yeah.
ready and whatever, the mean guys. I feel that's who we are today. And then the guests are gonna be the Karate Kid. So maybe they'll beat us. Maybe we'll beat them. I don't know. It's gonna be it's gonna be a fun one. But who else is there? Justin is here. Who else is there? Justin battled me last time when we were running the test, so we'll see. Justin, if you win again, because we're gonna randomly pick whoever is gonna battle me, whoever registered. Justin, if you win again this time, be smart about your contract sizes. Don't trade the minis, trade the micros. But let me pull up Alejandra's screen really quickly so she can give us our perspective on. I guess you're looking at the NQ, right? Or are you looking at gold?
I'm in queue. I'm pulling everything up. I'm just setting up and getting ready. Also telling my team that I'm live.
Okay, no problem. So can I pull up your screen now, or you want me
Yeah,
to wait a
yeah,
little bit?
yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, and then we'll go back to Samir's screen. I'm gonna jump off for 1 second just to get my glasses because everything's blurry right now.
Yeah, it's fine.
And then
Take your time.
I'll be right back.
Okay, do you need to start my analysis or should
Yeah,
I wait for you?
go ahead.
Okay. All right. So last night, I usually start my morning. Well, I usually start my trading day at night. So Asia session Sunday night, and I because of the way that the market closed last Friday, or yeah, I guess it was Thursday or Friday morning. Um, I
Yeah, I
had a
think there was
feeling,
market holiday, I think, on
yeah,
Friday. Yeah.
Juneteenth on Friday, yeah. So I had a feeling that we were gonna gap down because we were getting a lot of rejection here at this area, at the 700 level area, and as soon as market closed, uh, like I was in a short position, and it was so funny because it was on a prop firm on Black Arrow, and I didn't know this, but if you don't close your position on Black Arrow, they'll close the account. And I was already like 2 G's in before, passing the test. And then I said, okay, well, if I was in a short and we were getting rejection up at that area, in my head, I'm gonna look for shorts. So I did, and I took shorts pretty much right at open almost, and I had two levels. I entered with 5. I got stopped out for like a very small loss, and then I re-entered because my stop was way too tight. My first profit target was these previous lows here. My second profit target was these lows, but then I wanted to test and see if it would come down to this 30-minute bullish order block, which it tapped into perfectly. And I told my team, either we bounce here and test the highs, or we see the drop all the way down to my level, and then we're gonna see some hold from here to the top. So it freaking did exactly what my analysis was, and right now it's getting attracted to the 931 order block here that I have. And I would love to see if we can, I'm pretty sure we're going to go sweep these highs up here, so let's just mark that down, um, I don't think I'm going to trade anymore. I'm going to wait until this trend is pretty much like done. And I want to see, I know I'm asking for too much, but I prefer to short and I'm short bias. So I would love to see these highs get swept. I want to see some consolidation and rejection at the 31,000 area. The only reason why I want that is because on MNQ, on I have a different broker that shows me a gap has not been filled, and maybe I can pull it up really quick on a different um, platform here. So give me just a second. Oh,
On
shoot.
TradingView, there's a way to do it actually. If you go to the bottom right,
There, yeah, thank you.
where bottom right where it says "Be adjusted,"
Hmm.
unselect that. There you go. It
Oh,
should
okay.
show you. So when it's
Oh,
selected, it
yeah,
adjusts for contract
yeah.
changes, and when it's not selected, it doesn't. So it shows you the different gaps.
Okay. So, all right. So, do you guys see this like box here? This white box. Maybe let me make it a little bit darker. Right. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, that box, that gap has not been filled all the way. And you can't really see it on here. It's much better on
We
Thinkorswim,
see
to be
it.
honest. But
I see
anyway,
it.
okay, cool. So I would love that gap to get filled after the rejection here. So I would love to take the shorts from here to the gap fill. And then from there, I want to see, is it going to hold this area or is it going to come back down to the demand area here? And then we can go and be bullish, and then it can do whatever it wants. but but definitely not touching this. I'm gonna pretty much just be watching it. I'm also done for the day. I made like 1,000 last night, so I'm.
Nice.
But I will be watching gold and oil. Thank you. Thank you. And yeah, I mean, my levels are pretty clean. They're pretty clear. I also pretty much, I say I have OCD and I want my chart to be super clean. Like, I will practice just entering my position and holding my trade. And or like if I get stopped out, I can re enter. So when I entered short here, what did I do? I moved, so I took profit, but then I said I'm going to move my risk into profit so that I can continue to hold the rest of the shares that or the contracts that I had. And then I got stopped out, I believe, somewhere around here. But then I re-entered on the second rejection here, and then I took another one, and then I took the rest down here. So that was really nice, and it filled the
Nice.
gap like beautifully, and it came back down to this area, held, and it just kept pushing, and all the levels are pretty clean. Now it's I'm pretty sure by like 8 p.m. or 8 p.m. 8 a.m. we're gonna go reach these highs up here, so that'll be really interesting to see this afternoon.
Yep. Definitely a very interesting target. That $31,000 area is like a magnet right now. I think we can possibly definitely hit it between today and tomorrow. So we'll see. I mean, we're really not very far from here. We're about 200 points from it from the NQ, which is something that could be done in a single day.
Yeah,
So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But congrats here on the great trades.
thank you.
Looking good, looking good. The charts are looking bullish. I think we've had some news. I've been trying to find what the news is, but didn't see much. If anybody knows, let me know in the chat. But we are pushing up. We're pushing up, and that is very good. I'm gonna switch back to Samir's screen because he was doing his analysis on the Dow. Unfortunately, my eyes were struggling. I was trying to see, okay, what what are we seeing here? Because my eyes were blurry. But I think buying there where you have the VWAP waiting for a pullback is pretty good entry, a pretty good strategy. So we'll
Yeah,
see. Yep.
I'll take a I'll take a risk entry here, putting my stop loss just below it, and let's see what we can aim for. And we still have like 10 minutes left for the NYSE Open.
Yeah.
If we pull back below, I will get the entry. But if we impulse to the upside, then I have to make another plan that I will make while being here. I don't want to trade reversals today. In general, I don't want to trade reversals because my win rate is okay with that. I will say like maybe 40 to 30% trading reversals. Of course, it does works, but I have told myself, let's trade the continuations only. And since I've done that, in a span of a month, I have made a very decent amount of money. So I was like, let's stick to the continuations. And if we get the pullback, good. If we just impulse to the upside, I am not gonna trade reversals. Of course,
Okay.
this area seems good, but as I have made a plan, so I will follow the plan. If we didn't get the reversal, sorry, the continuation move, it's okay. I will not enter the breakout trade or the reversal trade. So that is the game plan. And let's see,
Nice.
9 minutes left for the NYC Open.
We'll see.
NQ,
So
yeah,
question,
yeah.
are you still because I remember, used to, like me, used to trade breakouts a lot. Are you saying that you stopped trading breakouts, or are you just considering that for this particular asset?
I will trade the breakouts, but as I mentioned, I want to take the continuation breakouts only. As here the trend is bullish, I
Mhm.
want some kind of breakout here. If we did this, like let's say this is a resistance area.
Mhm.
If we print a downside breakout, I am not okay trading that.
Got it.
So of course it works. It has the potential to give me one-to-one risk to reward. But as I'm following some risk to reward nowadays, so I don't want to capture that kind of move. Um,
Okay.
because
I
my
mean, you
plan, the
you
plan
trade
that
what
I've
works
made
for
for
you. Yeah.
myself, yeah, the plan that I've made for myself, I don't want to break it. So yeah, let's see if we get here. Good. If we didn't, if we impulse to the upside, as Alejandra mentioned, that 4 hour area, if I'm not wrong. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour here. I think this is the area. Of course, it can reject from here also, taking this high out, but I will not trade that. I have entered these kind of trades before, and I have made money on it, but I don't want to capture these kind of moves now. As I do like to follow my plan, whatever plan I'm focusing on in that particular market condition. So right now, continuations only. If I got that, good. If I didn't, it's okay. Actually, we have another area here also. Oh, I'm selecting the different tool. Okay, this area. So I think if we if we came down with way too much impulsive leg, I think this can be the potential area for me to go longs. We have to observe how price behaves around this area. If there is too much impulsiveness, I think this area can get tapped and we can have a better entry and better risk to reward. So let's see uh, what we does today. Again, if you break to the upside, go to the upside without any kind of retracement. It's okay. It will be a no trading day for me, and yeah, it is what it is.
All right, sounds good. Sounds good. I love the discipline. I think that a great thing that Samir has is he is very disciplined when it comes to his trading. So we all know that Samir likes to take a single trade usually in a day, or at least a single trade on an account. So
Yep.
very good idea. And what I like here is you touched on, okay, I want to see this and then I will do this, or I want to see this and I will do this, but if I see this I will not touch it. So I like that, because essentially what you're doing is trading what works for you. And at the end of the day, we could see an asset take off or break down, but if it doesn't work for us, then it doesn't make sense for you to take the trade, because you probably won't be able
Hmm.
to manage it. Same thing with size. Sometimes we oversize and we're not able to hold a trade, and follow through with the continuation. And both Samir and Alejandra touched on that is, hey, we've made X amount of profit, and the amount doesn't matter. It's the discipline that matters. They're like, well, we've made X amount of profit already today, so we're not going to touch this account. We're not going to trade again. We're going to practice trade. So I really love that. I think it's a very important point. If anybody is a beginner, and we've all gone through that, I've gone through that multiple times, is you make profit, and on the good days you feel you can make more, and then you start trading more, and then you start giving away profit when you locked in whatever the amount it was. You lock that in, stay disciplined, come back tomorrow. There will always, always, always be more opportunity. And every time you see a massive move and you think, man, that's never going to happen again, well, guess what? I've been trading 7 years, and the moves keep getting bigger and they keep getting crazier. So there will be another move. Don't worry about that. Anyways, I want to take a few comments, take a few from the chat. I see some people are worried about their camera and their mic. Guys, do not worry. Whatever camera or microphone you have will work. Don't be afraid to participate. It's okay. We're not looking for high quality camera stuff. That's our job as content creators. You're just here to trade and do your best. That's it. For Vivek, who said you filled the form and don't know what to do next, just wait. You will get a notification if you've been picked. It's a random pick. And if you've been picked today, then you'll get to participate. If not, we'll be doing that every day, twice a day, for the whole week. So you'll get another chance if you don't get it today. Wave 58110 saying, did the futures add TradingView? TradingView has been added to the CFD side, but not yet on the futures side. We still are using Black Arrow to trade. And if you're familiar with TradingView, Black Arrow is a great platform. It's very intuitive. So it'll be easy to make the switch. BTCUSD, you said you don't speak English. Well, I don't speak Portuguese, but if you speak Spanish, or broken Spanish, we could communicate. If you speak Spanish, English, French, I could communicate with you. I know Samir speaks different languages as well. I know Alejandro speaks a couple languages as well. So don't worry, don't be scared because you don't speak English. Just come on in.
Use Google Translate.
We can use Google Translate. We could use AI. We could use whatever. We'll figure it out. So don't be
shy.
We have
everything we need.
Exactly. We'll use sign language if we have to. And then the charts speak. We all speak charts, so we'll get it.
Yes, we understand the chart language.
Exactly. Scripted signals saying I would, but I'm at work, can't use my camera. Scripted signals, just take a break. It's a 10-minute challenge. So when the challenge comes, if you want, take a break, say you gotta go pee or whatever, go hide in the bathroom. And then we'll trade. I'm joking, by the way. I'm joking. Anyways, I'm excited. This is gonna be a fun one. Opening Black Arrow feels like entering a cockpit. I agree. It's cool.
Entering
like
a
the platform. Huh?
Oh, nothing.
To me, it is
airplane cockpit, Alejandra. I hope nobody caught that, but I did. It is entering an airplane where there's a lot of screens and a lot of buttons. That's what he means. Wink, wink. Oh man, this is too funny. We need some fireworks for that. Alejandra's too funny. They're asking you a question, Sam.
Actually, pretty high probability to fall from here. What is your view? Actually, as you said this thing, I got in a flashback where I was trying to do this thing. And guess what? I have taken a lot of losses. So I will say, whatever legs that particular pair is printing, I can pull out the chart here. Just give me a moment. Okay.
XAU is gold, so he's talking about GC.
It is not too high. I don't know what you are saying.
It's pretty
high probability. Okay. Sorry. to fall from here. Okay, let's go to the bigger time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour. Mm, this low is not tested. This low was swept, but we failed to break this high out.
Market is open. But yeah, you can keep going, Samir.
Yes. So I was saying we swept these lows out, but we failed to break this out. It means that chart is telling me we are rejecting from here. Definitely momentum is to the downside. We are retesting this area. Definitely we can test these lows. I have shorted these kind of moves before. So I think I have traded this these legs before. So I think shorting makes sense, and I do think we can tap these lows again, or maybe we can go even more below, at least to this support area, which is 4024. Now let me see what we are doing on NQ MYM. We are going to the upside. Okay, going to the okay. Even if we close like this, I think I can take advantage of this area. But we need to close like this. That only will indicate that we are bullish. But I am not concerned about this. Still, I will wait for these kind of areas. To me, I will consider this as a liquidity point. I want price to tap this area. And here, we are moving higher. This is a good area actually, very good resistance area. But I don't want to take trades off of this area. I will take longs from here. I will check trading view just for the reference. Yes, that area is
All right.
very good.
Getting a nice wick on the NQ, but I see the Dow is still pushing up. Vela, you're tired of this current futures platform. How are you tired of the platform, man? It's just the platform. You need trading view. Well, do what I do. I do my analysis on
Lord me.
trading view and I trade on black arrows. So you're
Bro,
you're good.
you need to change the name. You know what does that mean? It means some kind of unemployed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, if you're
It's in
unemployed, you shouldn't be trading, by the way. The worst time to trade is when you're unemployed.
The worst time to trade is when you're unemployed, really?
Of course, if you're desperate for money, that's the worst time to trade.
Oh, but
yeah.
if you're not desperate for money, you have the time to study.
When you're not what? That's when you have the time. Yeah, it's the time you have to study, but you're lacking the funds. My best trading has been done while I had a job, and then you can gradually
Yeah, I agree.
convert to full time. But when you're desperate for money, I mean, it sounds counterintuitive because yeah, you want to trade because you need money, but I mean, I don't
I
have
think
the data, but
yeah, I will give an example to this. I think in my 4 years, whatever I have made, because now I'm not desperate for the money, I have secured some money, and I'm working also on a couple of things. So I think the that 4 years, the amount that I made, I just made in 6 months
yeah.
because of this kind of thing, as you mentioned. So yes, it helps, and NQ is moving. Okay, we rejected from here. I think I will not take a trade on. By the way, this was a really good trade. I would have shot it at this resistance,
Yeah,
but
this is
I don't want to catch the reversals as I mentioned. So
we're down 150 points,
the 15
which
minute.
we captured pretty nice liquidity area to the upside. Now we're pushing lower towards the point of control. So we'll see what happens there. I'm just gonna show you guys something really quickly while.
I think I'll give one shot here, maybe
All right.
For
Sounds
what?
good.
Longs?
for longs. Yes.
Good luck. I don't trade longs. I'll watch you.
So you don't trade longs at all. You need to get on the long side.
Why? I
Well,
already why am
oh,
I gonna
sorry.
get greedy, right? Like if
No,
I
no, no. I'm
already
not saying today. I'm just saying overall.
Oh, well, it depends. It really depends, right? Like today, like if it's gonna give us long entries, everything depends on like everything. So
Everything depends on everything. Okay. Very
my
insightful, Alejandra.
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
close your eyes and click the button, right?
Close your
No,
eyes and click.
okay, so like let me just give you like how my brain thinks. So if I already placed a trade and I
Mhm.
already made good profits and I see that the market is still bullish and can continue to give us movement to the upside, um for me psychologically, like it just doesn't make sense to look for longs if the risk reward is not that good for me. Like the longs were down here or sorry, you're not sharing my
Sorry,
screen, but
let me share your screen. Sorry. I was the thing is I was gonna share something before you, but it's go ahead. I could talk about it after.
okay, yeah. So like if I were to look for longs, I would look for longs at a specific area, which to me it would be like a major area of demand, right?
Hmm.
Where did the market or where did the asset pick up liquidity from that had the biggest move? Because right now, right here, it's already like it's the move already happened, and so now it's just trying to finalize the move. So for me, like if I were to take longs, it would be at either this level or this level, possibly this level as it broke out. And then if we zoom in here, I'm pretty sure there's an entry on a retest to take the longs to this level up here, and I would probably hold that. But now it's like, okay, yes, you can take the longs here, but it's like what, like I don't know, I don't see like the point, I guess. Maybe I would say like the like you see how it's like pulling back here, like the entry would be like down there,
Hmm.
uh and so right now like it would be kind of like chasing. So I wouldn't trade this. It's there's no setup for me. The setup has to make sense for me, but it's getting attracted to those areas like I said earlier.
Yeah,
What
I
were
mean,
you
I
gonna
totally agree with you on the analysis. What I was referring to is, you always say you're mostly
short buyer?
short biased, right? And I remember the time where I could not take a short. Like I was all long. I was terrified of shorting until I started shorting and I just forgot to go long for a long time. I was just shorting, shorting, shorting. And then I forgot longs existed. I was like, if every time I buy something it drops, why do I need to go long? Let me just short everything. And
Yeah.
then of course you find the balance. So what the point I was making was, you don't want to just be um, um, you don't want to just be short biased all the time and shorting all the time. You need to, and I know you can, because you're a good trader. But no, you made perfect sense there. If the setup doesn't work for you, if the setup doesn't make sense for you, you don't take it. And I 1,000% agree with that. I was just touching on the fact that I thought you didn't take longs at all. But if you
Oh
do
no,
when
I
it
do.
makes
I do.
sense, then
Yeah.
there's no, I'm just blabbering for nothing.
One day I'm going to take along on live so you can see.
Nice, 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 nice. Or a call, like you like to call them.
Yeah, someone's asking if we use fair value gaps.
You have the
I
right
do.
person right now.
Yeah, I do. I actually use them on a higher time frame because I trade ranges. So I usually look for them either like I start on the daily and see if there's an important one on the daily. But if there isn't, then I'll just slowly start to go down on the time frames. And like for example, let me see. I don't really see one that's like super super important right now that's gonna help me on the 4 hour. The 1 hour, same. Like I usually just look for either previous history. So I think what I have marked down is this 15-minute bearish for value gap that's getting inverted right now, and we can see it right here. So I utilize it as like an area where, okay, if we had a change in state of delivery here and a break of structure, we're no longer bullish where we changed and now bearish, this could be a nice area to look to utilize in the future to see, okay, is it going to play it out like it did here, right? Like where it inverted, it retested, and then dropped? Or is it going to do the opposite? And in this case, invert it, retest it, sweep the highs, come back down, and then from this area, I want to see, is it going to continue to keep going higher, or is it going to invert again and get rejected to do the same thing? So that's how I utilize it, and I will definitely keep an eye out for it. So yeah, I hope that was helpful.
Nice, nice, nice. I like it. I like it. If nobody has, I mean, for the people who haven't registered yet, you still have about 20 minutes to register for your battle account. The link is in the description, so sign up. You're gonna get a link sent to your email, and then you'll be able to log in. We're gonna pick the winner randomly. I mean, the person who can participate randomly, and we'll go from there. So if you haven't registered, go ahead, go register. And yeah, looking forward to battling with you guys. And if you haven't liked the stream or the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Right. So what I wanted to show you guys, and it was just to support what Alejandro was saying, actually, is, let me switch to this platform. You guys know I don't use FVGs, fair value gaps, but it's interesting how, many times things look similarly, or when we have similar analysis, even though we're using different methods, right? It's like somebody's on a bicycle and another person is on a motorcycle and somebody else is driving a car. Everybody's going to get to their destination. They're just going to get there differently. So while I was looking at Alejandro's analysis, I realized that, hey, on the volume profile, as we were pushing up, we got to an area, a low volume node, right? And that's an area where one could sell into. And Alejandro was touching on the point that, hey, it doesn't make sense to go long here because we're reaching an area. Yeah, it could be a magnet, but that's an area where, price could push down from. And also Samir was saying the same thing. He was saying that, hey, he doesn't want to take that setup because as we get to here, we might get rejection. So all three traders who look at the charts differently were all saying the same thing. What does that tell you? It tells you that, your strategy doesn't really matter. Your method of looking at the chart doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, when everybody is coming to the same conclusions, the price tells the story. So I really like that, the fact that we're looking at the charts differently, but we're all seeing something similar. So we got to a low volume node here at this high, which aligns with, and my idea was that we got to this area multiple times in the past, right? We had low volume nodes around the, call it 31,000 to about 30,850 more or less, and we got rejection from there. So really like that. We all saw the same thing coming. I'm keeping my bullets for the battle, so I didn't take this trade, but we will see. I'm also keeping my mental capital for the battle, so I didn't take this trade, but you could have definitely started shorting and getting into a short position there. And that move, that 5-minute move, was in itself 119 points. Multiply that by 2 and however many contracts you had, it makes for a pretty decent trade when you're able to capture 100+ points. So we'll see. Wave saying, what does the winner get? The winner gets a free account. We're gonna have 25K and 50K day trade eval account. So if you win a free account. So there you go. Remember to like the stream. Remember to subscribe. In about 15 minutes, the battles will start. So make sure you guys registered, get your camera ready, get your microphone ready because I want to talk to you. I want to hear you. I want to be able to play mind games with you. So
Wait, so are we just
we'll
gonna be
see.
like watching you compete
You're gonna
against?
Yeah, you're gonna be watching today. You're gonna be commenting. You're gonna be teasing whoever's winning or losing. You're gonna be doing whatever you want to do. But get ready because your day will come this week. I know you won't be here tomorrow, but
That's
on
okay.
Wednesday and on Thursday,
Ready.
you're ready. You're ready. I think we should just wear black all week. Okay,
Let's do it.
we're the bad team. Not the bad team. The opposing team of Karate Kid, the guy that had the black kimonos. So that's what I want. All black all week.
I
Trading
really
on
like.
Black Arrow.
I really like the rejection at 920. I think it was at the top of that fair value gap. Like when I utilize my fair value gaps and my order blocks, I swear like the market hits them perfectly. So here we got rejection here. We uh, pretty much inverted this gap again. So it looks like it wants to hold this level here. We could possibly still see this higher low play out, and then finally go reach the 975 level. So I'm just watching, but if it doesn't, it could do two things, right? So it can go up here, it can get rejected again, and continue to give us something like this, or it can. Oh, hold on. It can invert it, retest it, and then go sweep those highs. So let's see what the market wants to do today. But yeah,
Let's
everybody's
see.
analysis is pretty much like we're on the same boat here, and it really just depends on how you want to trade. So
Yeah, I mean, it depends on how you trade and you know what your style of trading is. But I like, and it happens quite often that we trade differently, but we see the same thing in the market. So it just confirms, and then when that thing ends up playing out, it just confirms that okay, we're all um, seeing things that make sense to all of us. We're not all either crazy or dumbasses. So that that I like that. I like when we come to the same conclusions.
yeah, look at
so
this volume on this short though. Like this tells me that it may not even invert and hold above, but I don't know. I would still like to see this high get swept, and if it doesn't, then we might just get stuffiness around this area until we get a break of structure to the downside. So oh yeah, really quick, I wanted to just see if there was anything important for the week. So nothing scheduled today, so we might just have consolidation today, or who knows, bullish momentum. Um, Tuesday we have manufacturing PMI at 9:45 Eastern time. New home sales on Wednesday. Federal Reserve Board releases annual bank stress test results. That's Yeah, I haven't heard that one before.
yeah, let me check. I didn't see any red. There's no red folder news for today nor Tuesday.
Thursday looks hot. Thursday, jobless claims,
Yeah.
PCE, consumer spending, and yeah, just PCE
Yeah, we
price
have a
index.
personal income, yeah, core PC prices, also GDP growth rate. So, a decent amount of news on Thursday, but before then, Wednesday and Tuesday, no, not much news. But what we need to keep in mind is that traders might be positioning themselves before the news hits, right? So sometimes you'll see a lot of sideways action, et cetera, et cetera. Sometimes you won't. But yeah, all right, the first email has been sent out. Check out your emails. I will be showing the name of the first person who's going to go 1v1 against me. Check your emails. Make sure you check your spam folder as well. Check all your folders in your email. make sure you check the actual email you gave us and that you signed up with so that you get it right. And then we will get to this battle. I'm looking forward to this. I've been pumped all morning. So we'll see what we get. Getting a little bit of rejection here on the NQ. Well, we're getting heavy rejection. So if that doesn't push lower, then we're likely to squeeze to the upside. We'll see. If not, then we push lower.
Yeah. It's really cool to overcome the urge to get into a trade. I think I think after the retreat that I went to,
Mhm.
I removed that, and it feels so
Nice.
different. Yeah, it feels really different. I don't know if anybody can relate, but it really does feel different looking at the market without needing or wanting to take a trade. Like it's just such a beautiful feeling.
I like it. I like it. I like it. I like the progress. I think well, it worked for you with the retreat, and I'm glad you found a method of doing it. I mean, there are many ways of approaching it. What I used to do back in the day is I used to lock my account and then continue to trade in a simulator.
Mm,
And a lot of times my ideas would not play out. So that kind of drilled it in my brain that, hey, dude, you thought continuing to trade would generate more profit, but look at it, it's not working. And then gradually you develop that discipline. Sometimes you forget and then you mess up, and that still happens to me. You mess up, but that's totally fine. That's human nature.
mhm,
Um, but I like it. I love it. I love the discipline. And honestly, when you sit back and look at your data, you look at your trades, at least for me, I realize less trading is always a good idea,
mhm, mhm,
right? There are very rare times where more trading actually works, right? It doesn't happen often, at least for me. Most of the time, it's like, dude, you took, I don't know, pick a number, 5 trades on that day. All you had to do was just take this one trade. And what used to happen to me a lot is I would be taking many trades at the beginning just because the market hadn't shown a true setup. And I would be trying to find out what the market was going to do by losing money and then realizing, oh, this is the trade. I would take the setup. I would end the day profitable, but much less profitable than if I had just waited for the setup, taken that setup, and then, call it a day. So
mhm.
we'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
Well,
Pushing higher, we're definitely pushing higher here. We'll see if that liquidity area gets taken again, if they short it again. But so far, they're definitely trying to hold the market up. And let
mhm,
me look at the volume. Oh, I forgot to make the boxes for you guys, for everybody who likes the boxes. The reason I don't make the boxes as often is because I build the indicator and I don't need to draw them anymore. So let's look at them right here with the indicator. Oh, it just triggered for a long, but I'm not going to trust that one just yet. Well, you see it's blinking, but this would be an opening range breakout. We've already had the 15-minute form, right? So we pushed lower, formed the high. That was the range. The range is 170 points today, which is a pretty wide range. Found the bottom again. I took a quick scalp. Didn't tell you guys, but I took it from here to here for a quick win. And now we're pulling out. So what you want to see is, like Alejandro was saying, since we're in that pocket right here, our sellers going to step back in, and are we going to go and push lower? Once we push lower, are we going to be able to hold these bottoms, maybe make a higher low or sweep these lows and continue higher? So if we're able to hold these, then maybe you could take a stab at this. So that's one way if we pull back. Another way is, well, if you're trading the classic opening range breakout, you wait for the break, enter on the break, and risk somewhere below that 50% line. And statistically, remember I told you guys the 1.5R. So basically it would be the range plus half of the range. So basically here to just about here, we'll call it just before 31,000 is where most likely most of the traders would be getting out. So the safer way to do this is to wait for the break, wait for the pullback, and then enter here as we continue to push up. But guess what? We're getting the rejection right now, just like Alejandra said. So we'll see what happens there. All right. All right, you got the email. Then go ahead, click on the link and log in so we could see you here and we can get ready for this battle.
What happened to our homeboy Sam?
Sam is having a little bit of power issue on his end. So it's too bad. Hopefully he gets his power back and is able to log back in, because he was gonna take one of those battles. I guess you might have to battle today.
No, I wasn't ready today.
You don't have to. You don't have to.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't care. I'll do it.
All right. Check your hub, by the way, and the account you should get is a 50K day trade, because that's what we're trading.
Yeah, I got it. I'm in.
You got one?
Yeah.
All right. So don't worry, I'll go first. I'll take the challenge.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just getting it set up here. All my levels hit perfectly. Like, I'm just looking at my lines here. Oh,
that's a good thing as well. The way I used to be pissed when I did an analysis and then it played out exactly the way I thought. I'd be like, man, I could have made a bunch of money. But guess what? Over time, you realize that's not true. You could have been in the trade. You could have been whatever, panicking, too much size, whatever. So I put it a positive way where I was like, okay, my analysis made sense. It played out. So that means that what I'm doing makes sense. I'm getting better at reading charts. I'm getting better at understanding price action. And then next time I see it, then I could take the trade, right? But I like it. I like the all right, we got a trigger again. So it looks like buyers are really stepping in. I see some volume increase here. So we could, I don't want to take it on this account. We could possibly try the breakout, but it could be a wick up and a push lower. So I would do that with very tight risk. And then if we wick down, well, that's what we've been talking about. The short would be on. So we'll see.
Oh, I realized I got the 25K, not the 50.
Okay.
Oops. You didn't sound too
No, sorry. I'm staring at the chart.
Does it matter, or should I get the 50K?
It's preferable that you get the 50K. This way you get a bigger buffer, but I guess you could do it with the 25K. It's going to be a full port, all in type of trading. You have 10 minutes. So give me 1 second. We need you guys to enter the EV Mux room. So if you got the email, click on the link. If somebody is called,
wow, it's gonna go reach that level that I have here.
Let me go back to your screen.
Looks like if it holds 931, it's gonna reach to 975.50. Yep. Like, what a beautiful move. I like what Sam was saying earlier, that this looks like healthy market.
Yeah, we're recovering. I mean, overall, if you think about the overall news, considering everything that's been going on in the market lately, the overall news has been somewhat positive, with the war supposedly ending, and we'll just have to see if that turns out to be true or not. But
I saw a tweet or something. Somebody sent me something where, let me see if I could find it. Trump tweeted, I think. I don't really look at the news, but oil rises as Trump threatens new attacks on Iran. Hormuz closed again. So
Hmm.
is that true?
I don't at the end right these days, I don't know what's true, what's not. I
Right?
just you read the
Anybody?
news, you look at the market, and then you're like, okay, let's see how this plays out.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we sent out the emails. Check your emails and click on the link so you can log in to our back room here, and we can get going because it's 10 o'clock. I want to be competing. We're seeing rejection here in this area. So let's see. Let me just show you guys something. So one reason why it's not always a good idea to get in on the breakout and wait for somewhat of a pullback is because of what's happening right now. So if you look at this indicator I have for the opening range, it triggered here, right? And you could have gotten in here, but you're getting some quick rejection with volume here, and usually that tends to be a reversal sign. Now, of course, if it's a bullish day, then we're going to get good action and continue. But my point being, if you take those breaks, you have to be careful. You have to be mindful that you could immediately get a pullback, which is why I usually wait for the pullback. So we'll see. All right, guys, I've been ready. I've been ready to go. Has anybody gotten the link? Vinay saying, sorry, it's a promotional email from the Fivers. All right. Let me know. Everybody's being shy. So let me get the.
What if there's no setup? Like, what do you like? What can you trade other assets?
You can trade whatever.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, people could trade whatever. As a matter of fact, while we're at it, let me take a look at gold.
Yeah, I was just gonna say because gold looks like it was setting up. On a smaller time frame, gold looked bearish, but on a higher time frame, it looks bullish. And oil is just very
pushing
weak,
lower.
very
Let me
weak.
just switch to your screen so you could show what you're looking at. All right. We've sent Sampath Wishkun an email. Let me just put his name up right now. So if your name is Sampath Wishkun, okay, let me this is how it's written. If this is your name, go check your email, click on the link so we could get going. Let me go back to your screen, Alejandra.
Yeah, the market on the right side, MNQ on a 15-minute time frame is getting attracted to the previous high a day for that 975 level. That was a very nice run from market open after this little pullback. And oil on a 4-hour time frame here, I would love to see this area get hit and sweep this low down here, so that I'm going to be looking for sell side continuation on oil here. Let me see gold. Yeah, gold looks bullish to me. Let me look at the 4-hour. It already tapped into this weekly bullish for a value gap twice, which is a nice little, or not little, but big psychological level and area of demand where buyers came in heavy back in like June 11th. So since it tapped into it again here, I would love to see this area hold. and we have a little 1 hour bullish fair value gap that we could utilize as an area to pretty much go long on and risk below those lows down there, below the gap. We can aim for the previous highs and then the second profit target, these highs up here. So that could be a nice trade there.
On gold.
Yeah. On
Nice.
gold.
Yeah, so Sempath is not here, it seems like. So we're gonna move on to the next trader. We're gonna randomly pull somebody else. Wave saying, what if we just gamble? You could trade however you want. If you want to gamble, if you want to full port, whatever you want to do. You have to make $1,000 in 10 minutes. So, you know, it's we'll see what happens. Yeah, we were waiting for Sampath, but I don't see him. BTC USD saying if you can get a real-time translator. Sampath, we're giving you 2 more minutes. You should have gotten 2 emails. It was sent out about 2 minutes ago, so go refresh your email. I'll give you a little bit of extra time, guys, but keep refreshing your emails. Keep checking because so the first trader is going to be Sempath. If he answers, we'll give him a little bit of time. As a matter of fact, you know what? We're going to pull up the battle screen, okay, just to get ready, and then you can watch Alejandro and I just get ready, but keep checking your emails, guys. Keep checking your emails so that you can participate. This is for you. This is your chance to win a free account. Everybody who's been asking for giveaways, everybody who's been asking for accounts, well, guess what? It's your chance. Don't waste it.
I'm telling my Discord to join. If you guys want a free prop from account, come join the live.
There you go. Join the live. Your email. The link is in the description. Okay, this is the battle scene right there.
That is so cool.
Okay.
For that.
So let me put myself. Oh, it puts me on the right. Well, it's fine. So yeah. You guys go ahead and sign up. The timer is there. You'll have 10 minutes. First person to reach $1,000 wins. Me, I don't win anything. I just win bragging rights, which I will definitely settle for. And yeah. All right, so we pulled back. We're moving to the upside right now on the MNQ. So that's probably a little pullback you could have gotten into, but it's still a fishy area because you're essentially buying at the highs. So let me get back to my chart. So yeah, if you would be taking that breakout, you're essentially entering at the highs. So it's a risky area to be going long at. So just my 2 cents there. NQ still pushing higher. Let's take a look at the ES. ES still holding those highs. That's a 60-minute chart. All right, we're going to give you one more minute.
So beautiful.
Yeah, let me go back to my screen. This way you'll see it better. We're just moving higher. ES looking great, at least on an hourly time frame. The hourly just opened now, so looking good, looking good, looking good.
Tell us again how
to register.
Yeah.
Okay, Sempath has answered, so we're gonna wait for you a little bit. So the people have to go in, click the link in the description, and register.
description on YouTube?
Yeah, on YouTube. So Sampath has replied that he's setting up. So we're waiting. Wave says you don't have a webcam or mic. How can a man be so unlucky? I don't think it's a question of luck. I think you just have to purchase purchase a mic, purchase a webcam, and you'll be good to go. All right, ES looking interesting here. Let me look at the volume profile, see how we're doing on that end.
Let me see.
I mean, it's not a disqualification, but it's not the ideal way to to be live. You ideally you want to be live with a camera and a mic, so we can we could talk, we could get to know the trader a little bit, we can know what he's thinking, etc. If we just have a blank screen, then that doesn't mean ideal. It's not an ideal situation. So we will see. Yeah, Alejandra, if anybody wants to join, they just have to log in. The link is in the YouTube description. It's also in the chat. They just have to click there, register for an account, and then they will win. They will get a chance to participate.
Got it.
Scripted signals say, got it, not good content. Yeah, it's not good content, but it's also not interesting for you guys who are watching. You're just going to be watching a chart, and we can't know what the person is thinking and saying. We want to communicate. And I also want to see your faces. I want to see what you look like. We're only seeing you in the chat. You guys are seeing my bearded face every day. We want to see you guys as well. All right. Okay. Looks like we tapped into that liquidity area. Shorts are starting to fill in.
Someone's asking where would they trade the account on Black Arrow, right? After they get the
Black Arrow.
Yeah. And you guys don't have to like download the whole what do you call it, like the whole system on your computer or your PC. I think you can just access it through like a web browser.
Yeah, you could trade it via web, you could trade on your phone, you could trade or you could trade with the software. I prefer to trade with the software, but that's all personal preference. What's up, Void? Welcome. He needs to start using lotion. Your face got cooked from gold volatility. Well, gold will do that to you sometimes. That's why I usually avoid gold, but hey, I know you know what you're doing. Team Mango.
Nadir, if you're here, come battle us. Register. The link is on the comment section, the description, and on the Discord.
Yeah, it's everywhere. If you miss it, I mean.
So this is perfect for anybody that, I wouldn't say beginner, right? Because you guys are trying to show us that you can beat us.
Beginner's luck. You never know.
Beginner's luck, yeah. I mean, what I'm saying is, somebody that has like a laptop, a setup where, they're ready to go and place a trade. If you don't have the capital per se, this is a great opportunity for you guys to register to battle us so that you can win an account. So I would not pass up on the opportunity.
Indeed.
What account size will be traded? They get access to a 50K, right, Dave?
Yeah, we'll be trading a 50K account. And if you don't get to battle today, by the way, we're keeping your names, so you won't get the chance only today. This is going on all week, so you will get the chance during the rest of the week as well. Just FYI. Sampath, where are you? Man or girl?
How do I?
It's actually not 3%, it's 4%. So it's actually pretty good risk reward. How do you what?
I was just gonna say, I wanna. How can I check the
news?
number on my account on Black Arrow? Sorry, yeah, on the dashboard, because like on the dashboard I see the day trade 50K account, but I don't see like the number to make sure that I'm choosing the right one on my Black Arrow platform. You know what I'm talking about?
How do you see the number of the account on the hub, you mean?
Yeah, on the hub.
Good question. I've never checked that, but let me see really quickly. I don't think, because I usually know which account is which just because of the balance.
Oh, well, mine is a flat balance. Maybe it's this one.
Yeah, it's this one. And then you click on, you see the double arrow? Go to the top, click on the double, all the way to the right next to the star.
Mm-hmm.
No, next, yeah. Click on that, and then it loads up on whatever, all your charts.
I guess it's there.
Yeah. Sorry, the 3% was my bad. Let me fix that, actually. Because we changed our rules. It's not 3% anymore, it's 4%. Thanks for good catch. That was the old rule. Thank you, scripted signals. You caught that. All right, we're still waiting for Sempath. I'm giving you 3 more minutes, Sempath. Okay.
He's getting cold feet.
Yeah, scripted signals. You just have to hit 0.5 R exactly. So you could risk 1 R to make half an R.
I like that the rejection we're seeing here on MNQ.
I like it too, and I'm mad we're missing it for the contest. I mean, that would have been a straight down move.
I think we
That's
can we have it. Can we
74
have the
points.
battles ready like tomorrow? Like for the, you know what I mean? Like, can we have them already like lined up, or is it
We'll discuss that behind
Off-scene?
offline. Yeah. You know, we did it last time and it worked perfectly. I mean, we had Justin, he was ready to go really quickly, and then we had somebody else, and it went pretty well. But it seems like not everybody is gets ready at the same time, at the same speed.
Maybe it's because of Father's Day.
Father's Day. Okay.
The weekend they probably got too lit.
Maybe. Wave is talking. We're waiting.
Bruh, come fast. We're waiting.
I agree. We're waiting.
What is you doing, fam? Come on.
I don't know. We have those stage lights ready. We got the confetti.
Yeah, I want to see this happen.
1 more minute to go. Sempath.
I don't know how much I trust this pullback though, because I have a feeling since it hasn't swept the highs, I think it's still
It,
gonna go higher.
you said it hasn't swept the highs? Give me a sec. Oh, I was looking at the ES. Oh, which highs? Because
This one, 975.50.
scripted signals, they're just waiting until their setup is about to point, then they'll jump on. I mean, we don't have to trade immediately. I would at least like him to be here, and then we could get to talk a little bit, and then we have to start the timer. So, but anyways, it's good. Yeah, sorry, Alejandra, I interrupted you here.
It's okay.
You were saying which highs?
This line here that
Oh,
I
these
have,
highs. Okay.
yeah. But you know, nothing is 100% perfect all the time. So
Yep.
I mean, it's getting rejected really nicely.
We are pushing lower, and I've been short since 39.10 on another account.
Okay.
So let's see. $30 more seconds.
What is he doing?
I don't know. Yeah, you could check bias and then enter, or you could just close your eyes and click like Alejandro usually says. That'll work too.
Okay, let's see what's happening.
We are continuing to push lower. It looks like, so if we don't hold this little trend, we might definitely push lower. Let me put my screen back up. All right, we've chosen a new trader, Kosen or Kosen, Kosen. You're the new trader. Let me pull up your name really quickly. So, whoa. If your name is Kosen, oh, I'm definitely gonna full port. there's no other way to do it, but we'll see. I need to have a decent entry. So we'll see. But Kosen or Kosen, check your email, and we can battle. All right, we have about an hour left on stream, and I want to get this going. And we missed some good short setups. We are getting to this little uptrend here, so we'll see if these levels hold. But you know, we formed a range, pushed to the highs, pulled back, tried to break these highs, reversed from here, and we'll see if this breaks or if buyers are able to step back in and buy it and continue to push it higher and continue this trend. So we'll see. We're definitely seeing weakness here. Statistically speaking, when we go and retest the lows, we don't end the day on a green day. So we'll see.
Damn, it's
We
getting.
shall see. We're definitely pushing lower.
Yeah.
All right, Kosen, check your email. The email has been sent just now. So check your email. Peter, we're picking them randomly. So this way,
Wow, this is
this
very nice.
it's not biased. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We are choosing from the YouTube chat. We're choosing from people who well, not the YouTube chat, but from people who are viewing. This is for you guys who view us. That's why we do it live, and that's why we pick people live, is to give you guys, our supporters, the chance to win because you tune in every day.
See, like even if the market is bullish, like you could still take pullbacks, right? Like we had 1, 2, now 3 short opportunities, and then pretty much 2 longs. So I mean, the reason why I like to short is because it's much faster than longs. But
Yep, that's why I like it too. The other thing is shorts give you references that longs don't give you sometimes. So let's say you're getting to all-time highs and you're breaking out, you have no idea how far this thing is going to go, right? Whereas when you're shorting, you have previous pockets and previous areas where you could definitely reference from. So that's why I like shorts also. I prefer going short than long. All right, Costin, let me know. Let me know. We're waiting for you. Let me know if you got the email. We'll give you 5 more minutes. You'll show up this week. All right. Sign up, guys. Sign up, because we'll be maintaining the everybody who signed up, and it's gonna be randomly picked. So if you signed up today, you still have a chance to participate during the week. You could participate tomorrow. I mean, you could get picked tomorrow or the day after. We're
I
giving
would
you
love
5 minutes. I'm not gonna say this on screen.
to say it.
I can show it, but I'm not gonna say it.
Oh, I see it. Some comments sometimes it's hilarious. All right, so
Indeed. And some jokes also. Some people. Anyways, let me not say what I was gonna say. Yeah, you were gonna say we're definitely pushing lower.
damn, yeah, I'm looking to see if it's gonna give me a retest, but I'm not seeing it.
We're flushing.
Yeah. Dang.
What an opportunity.
Oof, yeah.
Well, at least I've been catching it on my other account, some of it.
That's great. Yeah, I should have entered on my other account, but
Yeah.
okay.
I'm missing that flush though, because I closed the position.
But beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what it does here at this level. This is a 1 hour bullish order that I have here. So if I can get a little pullback or a retest of 840, which oh my god, this is such a nice rejection. Jesus.
Yeah, this is nice. This is a nice setup.
I want to see a retest as the only way that I'll take short.
Where do you want to see a retest to?
Either 840 or yeah, around 840, 860, but
that blue line you have there, what is it? VWAP?
This one? That's the top of the Bollinger Band.
Oh, you're using a Bollinger Band. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I didn't see the other lines.
Oh no, it is VWAP. I don't even know. I don't use indicators. It's just there.
Then why do you have it there? For decoration?
Oh, no, it's interesting. Yeah, for decoration. Okay. Just to see what it does.
All right. Buyer stepping back in a little bit.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to be getting ready for a retest here. If it gives it to me. So how many contracts can I take on a 50K?
50K, you can, let me double check because we changed some of the rules. I don't have them all memorized. Give me 1 second.
And
so it's 20K for, 20K. 2 minis, 20 micros for the 25K, 4 minis, 40 micros for the 50K. So you could go in a 40 lot size if you're trading the MNQ.
But don't we have to follow the consistency rule, or how's that going to?
You have to follow the consistency rule, but that's going to depend on personality. Honestly, I don't worry about it much. So what I do is I try to make profits, and then if I make a little bit more, then I just keep making a little bit of more profits. I mean, there is
The market is just tanking.
Market is tanking.
It's not going to stop.
Second, guys, I'm just adjusting.
I took one. I chased it a little bit, but I think it still has a lot of room to fall.
Yeah, I would prefer.
I wanted my entry to be at the retest, but it just couldn't give it to me.
We'll see what we get.
So what happened to the new contestant?
I don't know. All right, it's 10:30. We gave him the 5 minutes. So 30 more seconds. If he doesn't show up, we'll have to pick somebody else. And I guess we'll have to pick from, all right, careful. Guys, you have to click on the link, by the way. Check your email, check your spam. You have to click on the link, log in.
I'm up almost 400 here. My first profit target is going to be 637 or 640. I'm just going to trim. And I'm going to let a couple run. I'm up 500.
Nice.
Beautiful drop. I just jumped too.
Just like that, Alejandra's just printing profits.
No one wants to battle us. They're too scared.
They're too scared because it's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. John Rodriguez saying it's dumping. It is. It's dumping, and Alejandra is
banking.
Banking. I like it. If you're registered now, will you get an email? Well, it's random, so if you're the lucky winner, you will.
I'm moving my risk into profit and letting 3 run.
Nice. So you entered with 4?
I entered with 5. I trimmed 2, and I'm letting 3 run.
Nice, nice, nice. I like it. All right. So we're picking a new trader. That's the third one. Name is Seben. Give me 1 second. Let me put the name on screen. This way. Alejandro showing how it's done. All right. We have Seben. So if your name is Seben, check your email. We just sent you an email with a link for you to log in to the live trading room so we can get this battle going. So Seben, go check your email. And then let's keep watching Alejandra just making profits like it's nothing.
It was such a bad entry. I'm probably going to get stopped out here. But now it might give me that retest that I wanted. I don't know
Yep.
what it wants to do here.
We'll see what it does. But now the good thing is you could just risk against your PNL, which is great.
Yeah. Is it gonna stop me?
Okay, Sebin, you're available. Awesome. So go
Yeah.
check your email. We sent you an email. Click on the link. This way it'll put you live with us. Man, look at when did that start? That move started at
As soon as it inverted this
it
gap,
started
it
at
retested
10, 10,
it
10. Yeah.
at 720. It was perfect entry right there. Man.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't hold. But whatever.
Oh, it's gonna stop me out. No.
Hey, you'll get your retest. Just be patient.
I locked in 222.
Perfect. 222. For those people who believe in numbers. What are they called again? The repeated forgot. Whatever, numerology.
Let me take a look at this over here.
All right, so we're getting a pullback here. Let's see what we get. 17 email received. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. So follow the guidelines on the email. Can it be done from mobile? If you're able to trade while you're mobile, yeah, let's try. Let us try. Let us try. Let's see. I don't know if I could change the stream. Can we change the dual?
I want to see a 754 rejection.
Just click on the link so you can log in, Sebin. Let's just make sure we get you online first, and then we will try. You said you got in?
Me?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
It just looks really weak.
Pretty weak, yep.
I don't know. I can't full port. I don't have the balls yet.
I mean, you're trading well, so it's good. No need to. This is not the contest. This is you actually trading and showing how it's
Yeah,
done.
this is
So, no need to full port.
all right.
Sebin, try to log in. Try to click the link and log in. And let's see if we can get going. Let's see if we continue to see this weakness go lower.
Yeah, what a nice rejection. Good entry there on this pullback. But let's see if it continues to stay
Let's see if the
weak.
trend continues. Yep.
Yeah, and give us lower highs and lower lows.
Because that has been, how many points was that? That was a 317 point drop.
I'm risking 150 as it's going my way. I'm up 300 again.
Nice.
I'm going to move my risk into profit in just a second here.
So I remember the other day when I was talking to you about like adding to a position.
Yeah.
This one would be, a good scenario where you could just
Mm,
scale up to however many contracts your account allowed.
okay.
If you had caught it, say
Up
around that,
there.
yeah, up there, because you would have
Yeah.
been pretty deep in profits. And
Yeah.
yes, Seven, follow the instructions. Wave saying my analysis says if NQ closes above 33.69, it's going up again. 33.69. Are you looking at the futures feed or the CFD feed? Because that matters as well. Wave 58110. Let me know which feed you're looking at. CFDs. Okay, so it's about 100-point difference. Let me just look at the CFDs. I'll tell you the difference. And the price you're looking at, it's going to be NAS 100. I don't know which feed you're looking at exactly, but right now, we're at 670 and CFDs is at 355. Wow, that's a big gap. That's about 300 points difference. Pushing lower. Trying to hold a little bit.
Trying to hold. We already have a break of structure though. Like I don't think it's gonna hold
Yeah,
anytime.
they're trying. Doesn't mean they're going to win.
I want to see 500 area. I want to see what it does at the 500 area here.
Yeah, we're about 150. Let's see, 500, 160.
All right, moving my risk into profit into break even now.
Way to lock in those profits. Trading with no ego. I like it.
Ah, what happened? Let's go, baby. The goal for this month in payouts is 10K because I'm trying to go somewhere.
Okay.
Come on, just flush from here.
Let's chill. Let's chill. Check your email, Seven. It's in the email.
Come on, let's break
Read the
649.
email.
There we go. Once it breaks there
Let's
we go.
get it.
Nice. Let's get it. I'm up 700 for the day. 600.
Nice.
I'm gonna trim one more here. I'm gonna let 2 run. Moving risk lower.
So let's do something, Seven. Click on the link, the thing that says live room, and then I'll just walk you through the process. At least you'll be live and then we'll be talking and it'll be easier. We could do this live.
Moving beautifully. I'm gonna take one more here and let 1 run. Moving my risk lower.
I like it. Guess what? I'm in the same trade you are.
Let's
So
go.
we're running together.
Yay.
We're sprinting.
Let's hold hands.
Virtual hand holding.
Hold the line, diamond hands.
Yeah, today's diamond hand day. It's not paper hand day like I usually do sometimes. Let's see. Eventually they're gonna wanna cover, but we'll see. It's a nice job.
I like when I catch the move on video.
All right. I see somebody logging in the background. I love it too. I love it when I catch it on video.
I heard something.
You're gonna want to turn. All right, here he is.
Oh, let's go.
Can you turn on your mic? There he is.
On your mic? Yeah.
All right.
Am I
Oh, hi,
audible?
Simon.
You're live.
There he is. On your mic?
I
Okay.
hear a little echo.
You don't have headphones?
But
I hear a little echo.
You don't have headphones?
Dave, I think there's an echo.
yeah.
Oh. Okay, I muted Seven for a second. I just want to tell you something. If you have headphones, try to put them on because we're going to hear our voices twice if you don't have headphones. Can you repeat that?
No. I don't have headphones. Is it still repeating? Is my voice still repeating?
I think it's good now.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. Welcome. We got to give you a warm welcome. Thanks for making it. So, do you have the account yet? Did you sign up for the account?
No, actually.
Okay.
I was trying to do it, but couldn't do so.
Can you possibly share your screen with me?
Yes.
Are you trading from your phone or from a computer?
From my computer.
Okay, perfect. So share your screen. There's an icon
Yes.
next to the cogwheel that shows share the screen, and then this way I could kind of help you and walk you through. All right, perfect. I could see your screen. Give me 1 second. Benrar, yes, you could copy trade on Black Arrow. Give me 1 second, Seven. I'm gonna add your screen to the stream. How you doing? How you feeling?
Are you
Yeah, I'm
nervous?
feeling great.
Feeling good. All right, I like it. Okay, perfect.
How
So
are you? How are you all feeling?
we're good.
Fantastic.
We're good. We've been waiting for
It's
this.
great to have you all live.
Nice. Yeah, it's good to have you live too. All right, so
Yeah.
I have your screen on now. I could see it. I see you're looking at the Black Arrow. I mean the stream. But can you go to Black Arrow? Are you doing it from the web version,
Yes.
or okay? So click on the web version, and then you have to log in.
Yeah, I already logged in.
Okay, so you need to open the platform, the trading platform.
Where is it exactly? Start trading.
Yeah, start trading. And unfortunately, you guys, we're only gonna have time to do one competition today. So we'll give Seven 2 chances. So put your login, put your password. Don't worry, we're not looking. And if you're not live, they can't see it either. We'll give you 2 chances today. So you get a chance to either beat me twice or And this momentum would have been great for the contest, but
I
anyways,
know.
but we're good. All right, so it's loading. We're waiting for it to load. How long you been trading, Seven?
I'm new to it. Actually, it's only a few months.
Oh, nice.
Damn.
Okay.
Okay.
Only a
Welcome
few
to the
months. I like it.
market.
Welcome to the craziness. And what do you mostly trade? What's your style of trading? Are you like a swing trader where you hold for multiple days? Are you more of a day trader, fast in and
I'm a,
out? What
I'm
instruments
a,
do you trade?
I'm a day trader,
Nice.
trying for gold, only
Man,
trading gold.
only trading gold. And how has it been? You said a few months. Is it 6 months? Less?
3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months. Okay. And
And
why?
I've been learning. Yeah, I've been learning in it.
Nice. And why did you pick gold, by the way?
Uh, it's suggested by everyone from the online reviews and everywhere.
Okay. And you're trading it, you said day trading gold, which means you're holding your positions for how long? Just a few minutes, a few hours?
It may range to few minutes to few hours.
Okay.
It,
Nice,
it can
nice.
depend.
And
I
where
tried.
are you located? In what country?
I'm located in India.
Nice. Okay. And which part? North, south, east, west? You don't have to give the city, but just the area.
It is the West.
The west. Okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. And what brought you to trading? How did you discover trading?
Discovered trading through my friends and from online content.
Oh, got it.
I love social media.
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. Is it still loading? Can you refresh your
Browser.
yeah, your browser? Because I could see it's still loading in the background. And
It's
then you'll
again
have to,
loading.
yeah, let's try that again. If not, I'm gonna ask you to download the platform. That's probably the best way to do it. Are you using a Windows machine?
Yes, Windows.
Okay.
But I'm not able to download the app.
Oh, you're not able to. Okay.
Can you use a browser?
Yeah,
Yes.
he's in the browser here. We're trying to log in, but I see it's lagging a little bit.
We're consolidating right now for a second leg down.
Uh, is it
Yep.
is can it be done through a mobile app?
Yeah, you could trade on your phone as well.
Let me try.
Well, I'm winning here.
I like it. I like it. We're staring at your screen. We're staring at you sprinting profits. I had to get out of my trade just to be able to help Seven
Yeah,
there, but it's fine.
I understand.
It's fine. So I'm not holding with you anymore. But I'll say it's a pretty decent day for me as well.
Yeah, it's a great day. Great, great day. I'm trying to see if I can catch my profit target on video. It's like taking forever.
Why don't you just record your screen?
Because I have to change the settings because it'll be like a YouTube format instead
No,
of
if you press, are you using Windows machine?
no Mac.
Oh, Mac. Okay, sorry. There's a way to do it on Mac, but I can't remember.
I usually use OBS, but you have to change the settings for like this format instead of like the YouTube format.
But well, I know you can do it on Mac as well. I don't know if you could still, but you could do like a Brit screen, and then instead of a picture, you do a video, and it'll just record your screen, and you don't have to mess with OBS. But whatever.
Oh, I'll look into it.
Sounds good. It's still loading. Were you able to let me know if you got in on your phone? By the way.
There we go. Profit target's about to hit, guys.
Nice.
Come on, one more push. You're like
One
20
more
points
push.
away. 10 points. Come on, baby. Let's go.
What's your profit target?
The profit target just hit. Let's go!
Nice.
Yes!
Nice.
I locked in 860.
Nice.
All right. It might continue to go lower. I told you I wanted the 500 level area, but I see a 300 level hitting eventually at some point.
We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
Homeboy is praying over there. He's like, "Dear God, please don't hurt me."
Let me
I'm
know,
just
Seven, if you got in on your phone.
Yeah, I have got in my phone.
So you're on Black Arrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to do it while you're on your phone, and we won't be able to see the phone, so you'll show it on screen, I guess.
Okay, I'll stop sharing.
You could stop sharing your screen. Yes, you could stop sharing your screen, and then I'm gonna do something else. This way, you could show your phone. Let me see something.
That was the most beautiful trade. Like that's A+ setup right there. And remember how I told you before market opened, I said I want to see what it does at that fair value gap, because if we invert it, I want to see a retest of that to take
Yep,
shorts, and I want to see a
indeed.
nice drop down. And it was like so perfect, just
It
a
was awesome.
perfect.
It was awesome. Actually, Seven, can you share your screen again? You could trade through your phone, but share your screen again just so I can do something. Keep your whatever platform. I don't know if you study on TradingView or what, but this way we'll be able to see what you're thinking, and then you'll show your phone. It's fine.
I have shared my screen,
Yeah,
but
I'm
it
seeing your
is
screen.
in my phone. It is showing a contracts page and loading it.
It's still loading. Okay.
I have logged in, but it is at the contracts page.
Can you? All right, I'm gonna take you off screen just a second, just so you could show me the what you're seeing. Give me 1 second. Yeah, it's still loading. Okay.
Let,
But on on the screen share, can you
now I can. It was
can you
loading.
put
I did a pack. Now it is showing a simulator 50K account.
okay, you have the account. Perfect. Give me 1 second. Let me see something. Can you show me your screen again on your phone? Can you move it to the left? All right, so you have the account. Now you would have to go to the chart to be able to trade.
Yes. I have to add gold.
So gold on futures, because we will be trading futures, is MGC. We're going to trade the micro gold contract. MGC.
MGC.
Yeah.
MGC FUT.
Yeah, you could pick that one. This is a continuous contract, so you could pick MGC FUT.
Or MGC QC. Q6.
Yeah, that's the actual contract, so that would be better. MGC. You could pick
Q6.
MGC FUT. That's better. This is a continuous contract. You should be able to trade it. Let me double check. MGC FUT. Let me know when you pick it. Yeah, you'll be able to trade MGC.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Are you good? You have it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yes. I
do
have.
you see where to enter buys and sells on the phone?
Okay. Yeah. I can see it is buy at market, sell at market,
Okay.
close
So I
trade.
guess we're gonna have to wing it because I can't log into my phone to walk you through it. So
Yes.
it
Yes.
is what it is. We're just gonna have to
It's
do. We're
okay.
just gonna have to go, right? And it's already 11. So time is running out.
It's okay. I'll manage.
All right, no problem. For your screen, can you put like your charting software? Maybe, I don't know if you use TradingView or what you use on the screen share you're doing. Instead of leaving this on, do you use TradingView?
I have never used it on my laptop.
Oh, okay.
Since I'm a new, I always do it on my
On your
mobile.
phone. So
Yeah.
you do everything on your phone.
Yes.
That's crazy. All right, I'll just leave Alejandro's screen then.
If I was a successful trader, I will go ahead invest on a laptop.
All right, no problem. We're gonna switch to the competition screen. So it's gonna be my screen on the left, and then Alejandro's screen on the right, and then we'll just scale Seven's screen, and he can show us the phone from time to time, so we can see what he's looking at. Yeah, exactly. All right. Let me know. Let me know when you're ready to go. This is crazy. All right, wait. We need some music. I need some background music. So we're gonna put some.
Come on, Seven. Show us what you
Okay.
got.
You ready, Seven?
Go for shorts.
You ready, Seven?
Yes.
I see a pullback. Okay, so Seven's ready. I'm ready. I'm gonna set the timer, and then we can go. Okay? We'll have 10 minutes.
Let's go. I'll be
Are
the
you ready?
cheerleader.
I'm ready.
Okay, you don't have to take the trade immediately, but you can. We'll be starting officially. So 10 minutes going now. All right. Timer has started and we're going in. All right, I'm seeing a pullback on the NQ. Let me load this up. I'm going to be trading the NQ and you're trading gold. I'm seeing a pullback. Entering with one contract. Oh, actually, no, this is gold. Guys, I don't even know what I'm trading. Let me switch to the NQ. I'm like, this doesn't look like what I'm looking
Look
at.
at Seven being so focused. He's like, I'm gonna beat him. He doesn't even have a sticker ready.
So I just need 25 points I think just about 25 points if I full port this. So market order in.
Focus, Seven. Focus.
You're focused, Seven.
Are you in?
Are you in or not?
I'm in.
What are you in?
You can see my screen, nah? I have placed an order.
I can't see your screen, but you could show us the phone right now. Let me put your phone so this way we could just see the phone. Okay, so you're long on gold or short on gold? I can't see.
Long.
You're long. Okay, you're long on
You're
gold.
long on gold?
How many contracts?
2.
2 contracts. Okay, nice.
What about you?
So I'm long. I'm going to share my screen again. I'm long the NQ, just trying to get the quick push up. But I don't know if this is going to work. If I'm in too late, we'll see. What I'll do is I'll full port this if we explode up. But this might be a continuation to the downside, right? So if we look at my screen, I don't know if you guys can see my screen, we tried to pull back here. We found a bottom. We're pushing higher. So if we get a quick move to this level here, I'll just keep adding because we only have 10 minutes. So you could only do so much in 10 minutes.
What's your profit target?
I'll put a buy stop.
1K.
1K. Okay. What made you take longs on gold?
It has been moving up since few times. So I feel it should go up.
Feel.
All right, let's see.
That's a
Can
good
you tell us
strategy.
where you're in? This way Alejandra could possibly show the position on her screen since we're sharing your screen. What price are you in?
I'm at 4215.1.
You said 4215.1?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's see. In my case, I'm just looking for a quick wick into a
What
previous.
I can't see your screen.
You want to see my screen? My screen is on the left. It's this screen. Are you seeing
Because
my
I've
screen?
shared my screen. I'm unable to. Yeah.
Yeah, I could see the screen you shared, but I have Alejandra's screen right now. So we're pushing lower. 6 minutes to go, and I'm $50 down. We'll see.
Wait, are you long?
I'm long. I'm long MNQ. Yeah, I'm looking.
Why are you going against the trend?
Because I'm a contrarian, and then I want Seven to win. That's what you say when you take a bad trade, right?
Well, I followed his trade here on another account, and it's not doing good. We're not doing good, Seven.
Scripted signal is never gonna hit profit with 2 micros. Oh no, it's not gonna hit with 2 micros, but we have 5 minutes to go. So I wanna see if my trade plays out. If not, then I'm just gonna flip it short and just go full port, and we'll see.
Yeah, are you planning on adding 7 if it's giving you confirmation, or what's your risk? Because for you to make 1,000 with 2 micros is gonna be a little hard.
Yeah, you need to gradually add. Okay, we're still pushing lower on the NQ. I might want to flip in case we flush.
I've added 2 more.
Yeah, I see shorts
Yeah.
on gold and MQ.
All right, I'm flipping. Show us your position, Seven. Show us on the phone.
It's minus 100, 150, 200. I'm negative.
It's fine. We're just having fun. I'm negative too. I'm negative 150.
I'll close my trade.
Already? You can take 10 trades if you want. The goal, the scripted signal is saying the goal is to lose less than me. Yeah, that's
What
the goal as well.
position are you?
So I'm just trying to get a quick. I'm short the NQ. I'm gonna show my screen. Give me a second. I'm doing 10 things at the same time. All right, so I'm short the NQ now for a continuation to the downside. I thought we could possibly get, a push higher here. They might be buying again here and pushing it higher. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna full port this if we push lower, because that's the only way I'm gonna make $1,000 in 3 minutes. They might be buying again because my feeling is we've pushed lower. We're probably gonna consolidate here for a while before we go lower, but I'm not sure. Man, 3 minutes to go. Whoa.
Are you flat, Seven, or what's your plan now?
I'm at minus 50. I've recovered.
Recovered? Show us the phone, man. Show us the phone. Let me put the camera in. All right, let me put it on the screen. Put it a little higher. We can't see you.
Wait, you didn't get out of your position?
Oh, you didn't get out. Okay, you're still in, right?
Yes.
Nice. We're saying who's gonna have the lowest drawdown. I think my original idea is what I want to stick to.
Are you watching your trade, Seven?
Oh man. Okay, we're still consolidating. We got 1 minute and 59 seconds left.
What's your position?
I'm down $340. My position, I'm flipping up and down the NASDAQ. I'm just trying to get some momentum. I was looking for a dead, what they call a dead cat bounce, so a move up into this higher range here. But we'll see what we get. 1 minute left.
Do I have to close the trade, or
Yeah,
how is it?
when the time hits, we'll have to close the trade. Yeah.
I can close in between as well.
Yeah, you can take as many trades as you want, do whatever you want. And then you can tell, what we could do is you could tell Alejandra what to trade, and then she could take the trades for you. What position are you in now?
30 seconds,
Yeah,
guys.
30 seconds to go, and I'm red all over the place. So let's see.
I have closed my trade.
Okay, are you green or are you red?
Green.
Nice, you're winning. How much are you up?
100, more than 100.
More than 100. Nice. Looking good.
Good job.
All right, so we got
7.
11 seconds to go, and it looks like, let me start putting these cards in.
Five,
Evan is winning.
4, 3,
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
What? 7-1.
Good job,
Congratulations.
Evan.
Congratulations. Let's skip. We need to skip on screen. So give me 1 second. We need to see your screen. So show us where is it?
Oh, it's
So
up
you're
there. I
up
see.
113, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, 7 wins. 7 beat me.
Good job, 7.
Awesome. Good job, man. Good job.
Thank you.
So you'll get an email from us shortly. Thank you for participating. I suggest you download the actual Black Arrow platform. This way it'll be better, it'll be easier to trade. And then you're just new, you're just getting in, right?
Yeah.
Nice,
Very new to
nice.
it.
Very new. Okay. I suggest you get, some type of charting software. You could download Black Arrow. You could download TradingView, which is what everybody uses. It's free to use, and this way you can analyze your trade, etc. So, do you have anything to say to our viewers, to our listeners? Do you have questions to ask? This is your chance.
It is very, very grateful to you all and Fivers for getting me this opportunity. Come online with you all people. You all are great people. You are doing great.
Nice.
I appreciate your work.
Thank you.
And
Thank you, 7.
we should all aim higher and reach our goals.
That's
Yes.
it. That's what we're doing.
Good luck to all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming on live. I appreciate it. We'll see you soon. Take care.
Thank you so much.
All righty.
That was
All
fun.
right. Well, congratulations to 7 for beating me. I was -3, and he got his opportunity. But anyways, it is time, guys. It's time to wrap this up. We'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna keep, everybody who signed up. We're gonna keep your names, and we'll be back tomorrow for another one of those. Alejandra will be ready to battle on Wednesday. So yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Any last words, Alejandra?
No. Trade smart.
She's like, no. I just made a bunch of profits. So no, I don't need to say
I got
anything.
nothing. I gave you guys too much sauce
There
already.
you go. You gave all the sauce. Anyways,
Yeah.
guys, this was a quick fun one. We'll see you again tomorrow, and stay safe, stay green.